everyone, I am Gursimar Singh of class 8A from Delhi Public School, Ghana. Today I have made a PowerPoint presentation on the topic COVID-19. In this PowerPoint presentation, we will be talking about many topics such as its origin, chemical composition, mode of transmission, etc. So come, let's get started. So first we have origin. COVID-19 is an infectious disease caused by a newly discovered virus. It is a communicable disease that can spread from one person to another through his or her droplet from mouth. Its first case was identified in Wuhan, China. It is believed to have jumped from an animal species to humans in seafood and wildlife market of Wuhan. So here is a picture of a healthy lung compared with the COVID-19 infected lung. Chemical composition of virus. It contains SARS-CoV-2, N protein, S protein, E protein and M protein. Mode of transmission. A person catches the virus through droplets expelled when someone sneezes, speaks or coughs. It makes a direct contact with the mucous membrane. The virus could spread by touching an object or surface with the virus present from an infected person and then touching the mouth, nose or eyes. It can also be transmitted through the airborne route. Some studies have identified the RNA in ventilation systems and in air samples of hospital rooms of patients. Mechanism of its action. Coronavirus infects the human cell by binding to specific proteins known as receptors on human cell surfaces. The virus infects the cell by fusing its oily membrane with the membrane of the cell. Once inside, the coronavirus releases a snippet of genetic material called RNA. The infected cell reads the RNA and begins making proteins that will keep the immune system at bay and help assemble new copies of the virus. Antibiotics kill bacteria and do not work against viruses. As the infection progresses, the machinery of the cell begins to churn out new spikes and other proteins that will form more copies of the coronavirus. New copies. Reasons for spreading. COVID-19 spreads from one community to other community very quickly. The main reason for spreading of COVID-19 is globalization. The world has shrunk and has become a global village. It is also a communicable disease that can spread from one disease-infected person to other through his or her droplet from mouth. Symptoms of disease. Symptoms of the disease may appear 2 to 14 days after exposure. Common symptoms of the virus is fever, dry cough and tiredness. Less common symptoms are aches, pain, sore throat, diarrhea, etc. And serious symptoms are chest pain and pressure, loss of speech or movement and difficulty in breathing. But in some rare cases, people don't develop any of the above symptoms. If anyone has any of the above symptoms, must go to the doctor and get tested. Precautions. We should wash our hands for at least 20 seconds. We should cover our face with mask or any scarf. We should not touch our face. If we have any of the COVID-19 symptoms, we should consult a doctor. We should always carry a hand sanitizer with us. We should boost our immune system. Treatment. There is no cure or vaccine for COVID-19 till now. Doctors are boosting the immunity of the COVID-19 patients so that they can fight with the virus. So people should stay at home until and unless they have a very urgent work outside. As we say, precaution is the best cure. Here also precaution is working as a cure. Stay home and stay safe. Thank you so much for your valuable time.